Good morning, students. Today we will discuss chapter aquatic animals. Okay. Firstly, we will discuss about the introduction of this chapter. Then we will talk about the question answer related to this chapter. Okay. So firstly, tell me what are aquatic animals? Aquatic animals. Word aquatic is used for those animals which live under the water. Okay. So firstly see the introduction about the chapter. There is one word inside the water. This word contain many animals and plants. Means there is one word inside the water कि पानी के अंदर भी एक ऐसी अलग दुनिया है जहाँ के बहुत सारे animals और plants होते हैं. These animals are called aquatic animals and have an entirely different respiratory system wherein they take oxygen dissolved in water. Means oxygen they take by the system that is very different from us because they are living in a different environment. Few animals breathe through specialized organ called gills, while few breathe directly through their skin. Means there are also animals that directly breathe from their skin also. And on the other hand, animals that move readily from water to land and vice versa are often refers to as amphibians. Okay, it means the animal who moves from water to land. Okay, you can see that frog is also living in water and also he came on the land also. Okay, so this is the introduction about the chapter. Now we will do some question answer related to this chapter. Okay, so look at the first question. Which fish uses its leg like fins to crawl over mud? Means which fish which is use its leg like fins to crawl over mud. So what is the name of this fish? Name of this fish is mud skipper. Okay, the answer of this question is mud skipper. Now look at the second question. Which fish uses its long stiff fins as wings to glide through the air and escape predators? Means the fish use its long stiff fins as wings to glide through the air and escape predator. Means जो चीज़ें इसको खाने के लिए आते हैं वो उनसे अपने बचाव के लिए विंग्स की तरह इनको फैला लेती है. तो दैट व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दैट एनिमल्स? नेम ऑफ दिस इज फ्लाइंग फिश. ओके, सो फ्लाइंग फिश इज द राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which sea animals are said to be the most intelligent aquatic animal closely related to the whales? Which sea? Name the sea animals are said to be the most intelligent aquatic animal. Means पानी में रहने वाले animals में से intelligent animals closely related to whales, जो कि whales से closely related है. So what is the name of this animal? Name of this animal is dolphin. Okay, DOLPHINS, dolphins. Next question. Which aquatic animals have five rays or arms which radiate from a central disc? So what is the name of this animal which have five arms or rays? So name of this animal is starfish. Starfish have five arms. Next question. Name the sea creature which is known to have the largest eyes in the animal world. Name the sea creature. Sea creature means समुद्र में जो क्रिएट होता है. Unknown have the largest eye in the एनिमल वर्ड, लार्जेस्ट आईज है उसकी एनिमल वर्ड में. सो व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दिस एनिमल? नेम ऑफ दिस एनिमल इज गैंट स्क्विड. ओके, नेम ऑफ दिस एनिमल इज गैंट स्क्विड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, what are the baby blue whales called? What are the baby blue whales called? So what is the answer of this question? This answer of this question is calves, CALVES. Okay, next question, which intelligent sea animal has 8 tentacles and a soft body that help it to squeeze into very narrow space? Sea animals which have 8 tentacles means 8 legs and have a soft body. So which animal have 8 legs? Can you tell me the name of that animal? Name of that animal is octopus. Okay, octopus is intelligent sea animal, has 8 tentacles and a soft body that help it to squeeze into a very narrow space. Next question, write the name of a sea or a fish water reptile with a shell or on its back. Write the name of a sea or freshwater reptile with a shell on its back. So what is the name of this animal? Name of this animal is turtle. Okay, turtle is a sea or freshwater reptile with a shell on its back. Next question, which marine fish is the most popular household pet in the United States of America? Which marine fish is the most popular household pet in the United States of America? So what is the name of this animal? Name of this animal is goldfish. Name of this animal is goldfish. Name the migratory fish that swims back from sea to the place in the river where they were born. Name the migratory fish that swims back from the sea, जो कि sea से वापस आ जाती है, to the place in the river, river में उस place पे जहाँ पे कि वो born होती है. So what is the name of that fish? Name of that fish is salmon. Okay, name of that fish is salmon that come from the sea back where the place where she was born. Okay, so students, these are question. First you can see fish use its leg like fins to climb over mud is called mud skipper. Second, use its stuffed fins or wings to glide through the air and escape predator. So what is the answer of this question? That is flying fish. And next question, sea animal said to be most intelligent aquatic animal closely related to whale is dolphin. Next, which aquatic animal have 5 arms? So starfish. Starfish is the answer of this question. Next, name the sea creature which is known to have the largest eyes in the animal words. So name of this animal is gant squid, that is having largest eyes in the animal world, means this animal is having largest eye. What are the baby blue whales called? These are called claws. Which intelligent sea animal have 8 tentacles, means जिसके 8 legs होती है, and that have soft body help to squeeze into very narrow space. So what is the name of this animal? That is octopus. You can see this is the picture of octopus. Okay, and next question, Write the name of sea or freshwater reptile with a shell on its back, that is turtle. Which marine fish is most popular household pet in the United States of America, that is goldfish. Next, name the migratory fish that swim back from the sea to the place in the river where they were born. So, the name of this fish is salmon. Okay. So, students, do these questions and write the answer of these questions in the given column. Okay. Given column, write the answer of this question here that you have given columns. If you face any problem, any doubt, you are free to ask. Thank you.